Hi children, yes, welcome back to the video classes. आज हम चैप्टर 15 देखने वाले हैं. We're going to see the 15th chapter, that is औ की मात्रा. तो अब आपको पता होगा कि अब तक हमने अ से ओ की मात्रा तक देखा है. तो अब हम इसके आगे देखने वाले हैं औ की मात्रा. औ की मात्रा. तो औ की मात्रा कैसे लिखते हैं हम पहले वो देख लेंगे. फर्स्ट वी सी हाउ टू राइट औ की मात्रा. यू रिमेंबर ओ की मात्रा, राइट? ओ की मात्रा इज राइटिंग अ standing line after each vyanjan with a hook on top of it. Correct? So औ की मात्रा is writing a standing line to right of every vyanjan with two slanting lines on top of the स्टैंडिंग लाइन. दैट इज ओनली औ की मात्रा. जब भी हम किसी व्यंजन की स्वर के साथ औ का स्वर लेंगे तो वो व्यंजन कैसे बनता है. whenever we are going to combine the sound of a व्यंजन with the sound of औ, how does it change? We are going to look at that. So क plus औ, कौ. ह plus औ, हौ. So cow से how tak. We are going to see the letters. Randomly we will see some letters and then we'll go into some examples, then the lesson, then the book back exercise. Cow, tow, tow, bow, bow, sow, show, mow, now, thow, tow. You remember each vyanjan has its own sound, right? K, kh, g, kh, ng. Whenever these sounds are combined with the sound of ow, how does it change? K plus ow, cow. T plus ow, tow. Th plus ow, thou. B plus ow, bow. L plus ow, low. H plus ow, how. N plus ow, no. M plus ow, mow. So these are some of the sounds of vyanjans. I would like you to practice all the vyanjans along with the sound at home so it will be easy for you to learn the words. Now let's see the examples of some words. L plus ow, love. K plus e, key. So lauki. Lauki means bottle guard. B plus ow, bow. N plus a, na. So bauna. Bauna means dwarf. A person who is short in size is called as a dwarf. Then p plus ow, pow. Dh plus a, dha. So paudha. Paudha means plant. Next is n plus ow, now. Now plus ka. Nauka. Nauka is boat. Next one is fow plus j, fauj. Fauj is army. I repeat, lauki, bottle guard, bauna, dwarf, pauda, plant, nauka, boat, fauj, army. Yes, shall we see some more example? Tau, li, ya. Tau, li, ya. Taulia is towel. Is your towel. Khilauना, खिलौना, toy. खिलौना, खिलौना, toy. बिछौना, बिछौना is your carpet. बिछौना, बिछौना is your carpet. Next is चौकीदार, चौकीदार. watchman. Chaukidar, watchman. Hathaudi, hathaudi, hammer, hathaudi, hammer. So yes, we saw 10 words. These words are from your textbook. The rest of the words, we will see those meanings and how to read them in the online session. Now shall we go for lesson Baune ki daud? Yes, we go for the lesson Baune ki daud. एक बौना था. What did we learn the meaning as bauna? Bauna is dwarf. So there was one dwarf. बड़ा ही नटखट. Nutcut means naughty. So he was a naughty dwarf. उसे जादू करने का शौक था. So he was very much interested in doing magic. एक दिन उसे चौराहे पर तौलिया मिला. One day he got a towel from a corner. Chaurahe means where the four two lines meet. That is a junction. Chaurahe is a junction. So he got a towel from a junction. उसने तौलिए को बिछौना बनाया और उस पर बैठ गया. उसने तौलिए is the towel. He made the towel into a carpet. बिछौना बनाया. So he made it into a carpet. How? Because he knew magic and he was fond of doing magic. और उस पर बैठ गया. He sat on that. वह बुदबुदाया. He told something or he spelled something. What did he spell? Akadam bakadam chu. The magic word which he used is akadam bakadam chu. बस वह हवा में उड़ने लगा. That's it. After telling the magic words, he started to fly in the sky. बादलों को छूने में उसे बड़ा मजा आया. So when you are flying in the sky, you like to touch the clouds, right? The same way even he was enjoying the company of the clouds. रुई जैसे सफेद बादल. रुई is cotton. He's comparing the clouds to the whitish color of the cotton. So the clouds were as white as the cotton. रास्ते में कभी कौवे से बातें करता. So in the sky, what you have birds. So on the way while he was flying in the sky, he was talking to some birds. Which bird was he talking? He was talking to Kauve. Kauve is nothing but the crows. So he used to talk with the crows. उड़ते उड़ते उसे भूख लगने लगी. So since he was flying for a long time, he felt hungry. भूख means hungry. उसने नीचे देखा. So he saw below. He saw from the carpet. हवाई पकौड़ी और कचौड़ी तल रहा था. Halwai is nothing but the or sweets person. The man who makes your sweets. So the halwai was making pakaudas and kachaudas. What is kachaudi? Kachori is only called as kachaudi. And pakodas are pakodas. So he wanted to eat them. उसका मन ललचा गया. So he wanted to eat them. वह फिर बुदबुदाया. He again spelled something. What did he spell? Akadam bakadam chu. He told the same magic words again. पकौड़ी हवा में उड़ती हुई उसके मुंह में आ गई. So he spelled for the pakodas to come towards his mouth. So the same way the pakoda started to fly and come towards his mouth. Mukh means mouth. So it came towards his mouth. Pakaudi garam thi. The pakodas and the kachori was in the oil pan which was hot because the sweetsman was making it only at that time, so it was very hot. गरम गरम पकौड़ी वह ओह ओह करने लगा because the pakoras were very hot. What do? We do the action of, correct? We used to blow out our mouth. The same thing the dwarf also did. अब तो वह सारा जादू भूल गया. Since he felt his mouth was very hot, he forgot all his jadoo. Bhool gaya means to forget. He forgot all his magical words. Garam pakodi na bahar निकाल पाया ना ही गले में गया. Because the pakoras were very hot, he couldn't spit it out nor could he swallow them. वह दौड़ा दौड़ा और दौड़ता ही गया. So the dwarf started to run, and he ran away. Why did he run? Or why did he run away? Because the pakoras were very hot. He forgot all his magical words. He couldn't spit the pakoras out, nor he could swallow them. So he ran away. This is a small story based on the matra of au. We'll go for the exercise. Bonna kaisa tha? How was the dwarf? Was he very fat or was he very naughty? Nutcut. Naughty. So take the correct answer. उसने किसका बिछौना बनाया? What did he make it? Or what he transferred into a carpet? He transferred a towel into a carpet. Towel in Hindi is tauliya. Bana ने जादू करने के लिए क्या कहा? What are the magical words which he used to spell? The magical words from the lesson which he used to spell is akadam vakadam chu. ऊपर उड़ते हुए उसने क्या क्या देखा? When he was flying in the sky, what did he see? He saw pakoras and kachaudis were frying in the oil. So उसने पकौड़े और कचौड़े तलते हुए देखा. पकौड़ी खाते ही बौने का क्या हाल हुआ? After eating the pakoras, what happened to the dwarf? So गरम पकौड़े खाने के वजह से he couldn't spit it out nor he couldn't swallow it. So गरम पकौड़े खाने के कारण वह बाहर निकाल नहीं पाया या गले के अंदर नहीं डाल पाया. The next one is, there are some pictures. You are going to tick the animals which have 4 legs and you are going to write their names. The first one is cow. Cow in Hindi is गाय. Second one is a horse. Horse in Hindi is घोड़ा. And the fourth one is a lion. Lion in Hindi is शेर. You have learned all these words in the lessons before which have the matras from A to O. Yes. Next is, we're going to fill up the blanks after seeing the pictures. Nauka. Nauka is boat. The second one is a hammer. Hammer is hataudi. The third one is bottle guard. Bottle guard is lauki. Fourth one is a plant. Plant in Hindi is paudha. The next question is, they have given you lots of words with O matra and Au matra. You are going to segregate those words into the 2 different matras. Yes, what are the matras what are the words which we learned with the matra of Au? Khilauna, tauliya, paudha, kauwa, chaupaya, naukari, Mosami, Nauka are the words which have the Au matra. Other words are words which have the O matra. Yes. So with this, the chapter is complete. We are finished with the learning of the matra, how to pronounce letters with those Au matra, how to read words with Aumatra, the lesson Baune Ki Daud, and the book back exercise. Yes, तो धन्यवाद.